tell you what, whoever said pubs were dead, then look at this queue at the Blue Monkey Brewery Tap. Ian, what a brilliant afternoon, eh?
Oh man,
we're in the, I know I keep saying this, we're in the middle of a bloody industrial business park. We've got Screwfix, Aston Fincher, UK Kitchens, and
Blue Monkey Brewery.
And the Blue Monkey Brewery.
What more could you wish for?
I know.
Phenomenal.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Phenomenal. The atmosphere is great.
Look at all these people, absolutely loads of
The
them.
best bit's the beer. Guys, you've got to get yourselves down here. This is what we're doing.
Well, yeah, obviously.
This is what we do.